Hi, Chris and Aris here,
and in this video we will show you how to fake sunlight. The sun shines, but it's not always there for us.
In this video we'll try to explain how we simulated sunlight in a video we shot recently. The music video was called Night Music. This scene was about a couple that were in love, and we were trying to create some positive mood. So the best way to do that is by creating a warm sunlight feel. But sunlight wasn't on our side that day, so it was a cloudy day actually.
The goal was to light a scene where a couple enjoy a coffee.
So after some location scouting, we found that special corner inside the coffee shop we were into. It was very helpful because we had some interesting environment, and also we had a window on the right side of our scene. The first thing you need to do when you come to a new place is to turn off all of the lights in that scene. And we didn't. We actually forgot about the main light that was on the ceiling, but it was fine because it wasn't that intense. But that light was what motivated us to use our main key light, which is something similar to our setup here. Okay, the first light we set up was a VL150 by Godox. We used a boom arm light stand. Also, we used a Softbox by Godox, which was the QRP90. And then the second step of our lighting setup was to actually simulate the sun, as the title of this video indicates.
To simulate the sunlight, we place a Godox VL150 outside the window as far away as possible.
Trying to shoot on a cloudy day and trying to recreate the sun is actually a good thing because the lighting on the outside is very predictable and it doesn't change that much throughout the day. Depending on the time of day you're trying to recreate in your scene, you should place the light on the corresponding height. That is, if your scene takes place during the middle of the day, where usually the sun is high in the sky, you should probably raise up the light stand as high as you can, just as we did in our scene.
To make our scene more attractive, we used a candle as a practical light and we placed it at the right side of the couple. This practical light actually doesn't light our scene at all. It's more or less like adding more aesthetic into our scene. Also, the final touch that brought everything together was to introduce haze into our scene. With fog you can have better depth and actually it separates the foreground from the background. Shooting with haze looks like that. Do you feel it? Do you see it? Also with haze, the light beams are more visible and the sunlight coming through the window is more dramatic. So let's see now the final outcome of our scene.
If you have any suggestions, just leave them down below on the comments and we will be very happy to read them and improve.
Thanks for watching. Till the next time, get busy creating and never stop shooting.